Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your Lenovo Tab M8. So we have a Google Lens on this device, so there is two ways by it, by the Google Lens and by the web browser. I'm going to show you the first method by the Google Lens, so you have to open the Google Photos app and choose the photo that you want to search in the Google, like this one. And now just click here on this little Google Lens icon and whole process starting automatically, and we're looking for similar plant in the Google database now. That's it. That was the first method. Now the second one, you have to open the Google Chrome and go to the google.com. Now it's a very important step, you have to switch your web browser to the desktop side. Remember about that, is very necessary. Now tap on the camera icon and choose upload the file. Allow permissions to the files, choose the photo and click done. And exactly same like before, we are looking for similar or the same photo in the Google image database automatically after that. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.